How to use ChatGPT with Make.com. Now to do this, the process is very simple, quick, and easy. Just follow these steps I will show you guys in this video. The first thing that we want to do is we'll head over to Make.com, and this is the interface that it will provide us. And here in the left bar, you will see connections. We will go to connections, and now here to add OpenAI right here, I'm gonna need that API key, and for that purpose, we will head over to OpenAI, openai.com, and we will log in. It will take us to a page like this one, platform.openai/login. And here it will ask us to log in with our Google account. Here you will search API keys or simply select it on this bar if it's available, or simply go and search it. And once you open it, I'm gonna create a new API key and I'm gonna name it make.com. And here I'm gonna select default project. I'm gonna go and create the secret key for us. Now that we have our API key, I can open Scenario Builder, build a scenario, and integrate OpenAI API key in it to. And now here I am in the template section. Here, as you guys can see, there are tons of usage with OpenAI ChatGPT that we can use here. And to do that, we can go and integrate these functions simply by putting our API key in it. And well, that's how you can go and do it for yourself as well. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.